Is the XRP price being manipulated? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. If you guys hold XRP, if you want to trade XRP, buy XRP, you're going to want to stick around and watch the entirety of this video because I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and get down into the comments from a very important kind of statement that is in so many ways stirring the pot because I believe this is true. And we're going to talk about XRP price suppression. We're going to look at the market cap as a whole. And if this manipulation exists, at the end of this video, you'll be able to reach that conclusion. And feel free to leave me a message down below in the comments. I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts as well. We cover XRP basically every single day on this channel. So if you are new, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well, and let's get down into it. Okay, so we are going to take a dive into the market right now, and you can see kind of what's happening right here, right now. As we look into the crypto bubbles, you can see kind of what I'm talking about. Okay, and this is one, unfortunately, guys, another red day. A lot of the futures we've seen come across the board, the market's selling off. We've seen this time and time again, and now we're going on like a 3-day streak where we do continue to have some selling within these futures. Now, what is important for XRP is, yes, they are kind of immune to this, but not so much. But this whole conversation, if the XRP price is being suppressed, is what we came here to talk about. So I do want to share with you guys real briefly what is going on, and we are going to look into this as well because currently XRP down 2.9% as we currently are recording, sitting here at a market cap of $32.29 billion in trading hands below 60 cents once more, now at 57.5. Okay, so it has been a red month for XRP. It has been a red week, day, pretty much everything but the year. So how much of that courthouse decision was actually priced into the price of XRP? That is kind of yet to be determined. That's kind of the consensus going on right now. And I'll share with you guys kind of the trading view and give you a look into kind of what's happening. We are still trading roughly a little bit above these moving averages. You could see that evident within that blue line and a couple of the orange ones where you can see how they shifted colors. That's a good sign, okay? And my royal blue line is that trend line where we've seen XRP look to stay above that, okay? So whenever we do go below that, that's kind of where I look at an accumulation prospect for XRP. And when we're above it, that's kind of a good sign because I still look for this to continue to trade upwards. And this is a time period dating back about 2 years. So we have not really broke that down thus far. So that's kind of where I am within XRP on the charts. If you guys are curious, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence. And that leads me to my next point, which is today's channel sponsor. We are going to talk about Margex. This is my leverage trading platform you're going to hear me talk about. If you do want to start trading on leverage, or if you do and you're looking for a new sign up, well, right now you can register and claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. And not just that, they do airdrops from time to time. And right now the big one is Caspa, which is a crypto that I'm very bullish on. That is going on right now. $500,000 will be airdropped with a really only stipulation is that I think you trade $100, deposit and trade $100 on Margex, and you do get to partake in that airdrop. Now, along those lines, the other thing that you get by using my link down below is access to discounted trading fees. So really, if you want to take advantage of all those perks, sign up with Margex today. Make sure it's right for you. Leverage trading is extremely volatile, so make sure you do your due diligence. And if you want to get started trading with Margex, sign up today. Okay, links down below. But let's get into kind of the article that we came here to talk about. All right. And this is the big one, guys, because an expert is exposing the XRP price suppression, okay, saying that the market cap is being manipulated to a point where it makes it look small. Now, this is very interesting, okay? Now, wealth advisor Mickle, okay, this is where we see the water being stirred with a claim that XRP is being manipulated to make it look smaller than it actually is. And I have to agree with it, okay? What they're doing is they're talking about CoinMarketCap calculating the XRP valuation by multiplying the token by its own arbitrary definition of circulating supply, which today is 56 billion XRP. Now, this excludes a significant amount of XRP that is being held in escrow by Ripple, okay? This is the actual quote. XRP gets moved in and out of escrow repeatedly, meaning that XRP in escrow isn't necessarily excluded from the circulating supply. It just is not being counted as circulating at any specific moment, okay? So pretty much in every XRP that we have in existence, that has been in the circulating supply. At some point, the exclusion of over 40 billion tokens by tracking platforms is what's being done, and that's how XRP's price valuation is being estimated, okay? Now, putting this into logic, what this means is XRP should rank just behind Solana by using this, okay? Now, this is subject to a debate where we've seen XRP took over USDC briefly, and that's when we were over 62 cents, but this is something where, you know, you got to keep pushing forward, because I have to agree with this. We should be just sitting right behind Solana. And this is something where you look at CoinMarketCap that excludes that escrowed XRP from the token's market cap estimation. Instead, they used a fully diluted market cap. Okay, so I agree with it. Basically, to sum it all up, XRP is way bigger than what the numbers will show if you just look up the numbers. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you guys about is my stance on basically market cap in general. Okay, market cap is something that in my opinion, should not be used in a way to describe crypto. Okay, it's kind of a non-arbitrary number. It's the complete valuation, and if you get into this whole security commodity debate, you really can't, and you really want to classify things as commodities, you should not be using market cap to basically give a label to a commodity, because then that implies that it's a security. It implies a lot of other stuff, and that's kind of, coming full circle when we actually talk about it, because it's just something where there's other things out there that are better ways to label how much XRP is worth at this current moment versus market cap. I think it gets too intertwined with the traditional finance world, and that's always going to leave kind of a sour note when we talk about it a lot. So the other thing is, within CoinMarketCap, they do count all of Solana's supply, okay? The ones held by the Solana Foundation, whether or not they're actively traded. So for some reason, XRP is on an island. It's in some ways being mistreated. It's not being fair to XRP holders. And I think it's something where if we can move off of this, I think that would possibly give XRP a much needed boost. And quite frankly, I think that would enthuse a lot of the holders out there and prospective holders, okay? And that is what I'm going to conclude with, because right now, if you do take into consideration Mikkel's comments, that would put XRP's market cap around $62 billion, just behind Solana at $75 billion. And so at $62 billion, as we're currently recording, that is right above, it's almost double of USDC, and that would put us up about another $30 billion, all right? So then XRP would be firmly in the top 6 and trying to make a move on Solana and BNB at those levels, okay? So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. As always, please remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Check out the links down below, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys for being part of the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, great time to do so on your way out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.